Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me on this video. Today I'm going to do niche research using ChatGPT. I'm going to find puzzle and activity book niches, and after that I will validate them on Amazon. On my next video I will use Bookball Studio to create the puzzles. So with that being said, let's get started. And guys, if you like videos like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. I will highly appreciate this. So let's go straight to the ChatGPT. I'm using the free version, but I think this is enough. And I will type what type of puzzle books can I create with ChatGPT. Press enter, and you can see how fast ChatGPT will give me the suggestions. So word puzzles, I can generate an endless supply of word-based puzzles such as crossword, anagrams, word leaders, cryptograms, trivia quizzes such as history, science, pop culture, geography, logic puzzles like Sudoku, Kakuru, okay. Can you give me more suggestions? Let's say 5 more. So code breaking puzzles, visual puzzles, math puzzles, language puzzles, okay, strategy games, what else? Perfect. Now I will copy this and I will ask this for activity books as well. Let's try. Writing prompts, okay. Coloring books, storytelling books, word search books, and such a topics such as nature, animals, geography, maze books, activity books for kids, Sudoku, and logic puzzles. Perfect. So let's go to Bookball Studio. I will open Bookball Studio and I will see what type of books I can create in Bookbolt. So click here, word puzzles. So I can create word search, Sudoku, crosswords, Nuricape, Kakuru, Mindfinder. And I think the mazes, I found that they don't have the answers, and that's why I don't create them at the moment. But let's say we can create word puzzles, we can create word search. So let's go to ChatGPT again, and so the ChatGPT gives me few ideas: nature, animals, geography. But let's say we're going to create this book for kids. I will ask ChatGPT to give me like niche ideas. Can you give me a list of niche ideas for word search books for kids, and press enter. After that, we can specify how many words we want to create for us. So certainly animal word search, space word search, seasonal word search, like holidays, nature, food word search, transportation. So we can create mix, or we can find one topic and ask for how many words we want to create for us. Sports as well, country word books, school subjects. Perfect. Let's say season, or let's say spring, and it depends how many pages we want to create. If we want to create, let's say 50 puzzles, 10 words each, we need 500 words. But let's say I'm going to ask for 10 puzzles, 10 words each, 100 words, give me pardon, give me 100 words, list of 100 words, for words search book for kids, related to spring. Boom. There you go. Or I can ask, give me 10 or 20 words for sports, give me 10 words for nature, and I can create especially themes for, like, let's say 2 puzzles for sports, 2 puzzles for animals, and I can mix them and create different topics word search book. So after that, I will grab these words and I will put them on a spreadsheet. And after that, I will create the puzzle in Bookboard. Perfect. There you go. Now let's go, because we didn't validate this niche. Let's say spring word search for kids. Oh, you can see Amazon auto-populate so many different keyword combinations, but I will click on this one. 2000 results, I think, is good. Let's wait for self-publishing Titans extensions to load, and we're going to see the niche score, the competitive products. So the niche score is 47, which for me is good. 2209 products, which is very nice, and average BSR rank is between 300,000 and 400,000, but it's going to be less after a few weeks. So let's check on the first page if there is books with good BSR. This one is sponsor one. I will skip the sponsor one. So this one is with 36 BSR rank, but 36,000 BSR rank, but it's not a spring. So here we have good chance to rank on the first page with spring keywords. This one is spring and it's with good BSR rank. This one is spring, but it's activity book. Hello Spring, activity book as well. So we can rank very good on this page because there aren't so many word searches. This one, but this is sponsor one, but it's with a less than 100,000 BSR rank. This one is with very high BSR rank, so we can rank very good on this page, and we can run ads as well. So let's try to validate one more niche. Let's say, okay, let's say footwear search book for kids, or nature. Let's say nature. ChatGPT can give us so many keywords ideas for nature, so let's test this one. Nature word search book, nature word search large print puzzle book. Let's try this one. 5,000 results, probably because nature is huge niche. We need to sub niche with some keywords. Let's check if there is some suggestion from Amazon for adults. Okay, let's check for adults. 2,000 results. Perfect. Let's wait for self-publishing Titan suggestions. So, but as you can see, we can check all these niches, school subject as well. Let's try school as well on separate page. I will open another page. School subject word search book. So 31 niche score, it's not very good. The average BSR rank is also very high. So I will skip nature for now, but I will check all the niches that ChatGPT suggests me, and I will try to find another one when I'm doing my research on Amazon, like this one, word search book for middle school kids. Let's try this one. As you can see, only 971 results. We can ask ChatGPT for related word keywords for school. Let's wait for a few more seconds. There you go, 44 niche score, which is very good for me. A little bit above 300,000 BSR rank. We can create word search on this area as well. So you get the point. We asked ChatGPT to give us list of niches. After that, we can find one topic and ask for different subjects or different sub niches. And after that, we will ask ChatGPT to create a list of keywords. And on my next video, I'm going to create the word search puzzle book in BookBolt Studio. So guys, I hope this video was helpful for you and you learned something new from me. If so, hit the subscribe button and notification bell. I will highly appreciate this. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.